Hello again, Sweep All Nation. It's Riley back with another first-time user guide. This time we're talking about the PSP Series Lawn Sweeper. Alright, as you can tell, it's PTO-driven. So we're going to start right up front, PTO Shaft. Now we do have other videos on how to measure and cut this, but the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure it fits your tractor. So again, there's another video on this, on how to make sure you have the right length, cut your PTO shaft to the right size, so you're able to hook it up and use it on your tractor. Now hooking up the PTO shaft onto the sweeper, if you come in here, come right here, there's a Allen key screw right there. So once you slide your PTO shaft on, make sure this screw is tight. This is just a set screw. Hooking up your tractor to the lawn sweepers. There's a couple different points to look at here. So for one, there's two holes on the top 3-point mount. This top hole is for your quick hitch, guys. If you have a quick hitch on your tractor, move your pin up a hole, that will work just fine. These side pins, they're bolt adjustable. You can see there's bolts here. You can loosen these bolts off, slide this pin back and forth to wherever fits your quick hitch or your tractor best. Now about the dump function. The standard electric dump, you can see this controller is magnetic. That sits on your tractor fender or wherever's close to your seat. These two wires, you can tell there's a lot of wire here. This runs to your tractor's battery. Now again, red's positive, black's to negative, and that will get you the juice you need to dump the hopper. And again, that's just a toggle switch up and down. For the guys that opt for the hydraulic dump option, you'll have two hoses around here that will hook up straight to your tractor's rear remote. Your PSP is these two stands right here. When you're not using them, these are great for storing it upright. So you put these stands down for storage. When you want to use it, you take these pins out, move your stands all the way up so they avoid hitting any hills or holes, and then they're out of your way for sweeping. For now, I'll put it back down to where it was. Adjusting the brush height on your PSP is very simple. Once the sweeper is hooked up to your tractor's 3-point, you want to lift up on the 3-point so that these wheels are in the air. And then you're going to pull your pin and set these caster spacers according to what you need. So if you need it lower, you put more on the top. If you want it higher, you put more on the bottom. Those things, you should be ready to rock and roll with your new sweeper. Check out our other videos if you have any questions about the grease points or more about the height adjustments. We do have other awesome videos. Check those out. And if you have any questions, give us a ring, 204-331-3050.